What it do, this your boy Janky J, man. Behind the camera, again. We out here after Torres show, Sunday night. And the Riders is out, man. Y'all see Limited. Limited out here with some clean ones. All right, we out here, y'all. Got the lax out here. All right, we about to see what it do. With some few hoppers out here. We might get some action, we might not. What up with you, bro?
Pretty good. You know how to do.
Okay, yes, sir.
Can't complain, huh?
Yeah, y'all see this other one? Limited, clean, regal.
You got the flakes,
Look at that paint. Another clean regal. Hey, out here. Y'all see this one? Oh, hold up. Is that what I thought? Hey, this wasn't even playing. CALI Swangin, man. Much love, man. I appreciate y'all. We about to look at something different. Hold up. Is that what I think it is coming out the? Oh yeah. Is that a blower? Is that a real blower bed, or is that just like
it's a tunnel ram. 383 stroker.
Hold up, say what? It's a tunnel ram? 383 stroker on this thing? Yeah. Nah, not on no lag, not on no lowrider. Not on no lowrider. Oh shit.
Aluminum heads, about 500 horse.
Hold up. You said aluminum heads and 500 horses. I'm about to cut this off and turn the light on. Well, y'all see that thing? 383 stroker in the lag, in a hopper. Hold up. Hey. Hold up. I told y'all gonna see something different. Y'all wanna see something different right now. Hold on, I see them red tops. That's power. Yeah. Y'all thought it was just up there looking cute, huh? Damn. I could show y'all more of the trunks, but I ain't trying to give y'all all his secrets. Y'all see it? Bloodbath. Dang. With the
motherfucker work.
Y'all see that? Y'all thought it was one of them fake cute cars or something? Y'all thought it was just posing, huh? Nah, this thing been doing its thing today. This is the test right here. If we can get a hop in and then clear the street, we'll be good. All right.
You know who was the streetcar winner today, though, at the show? First place, homie.
What it look like right now?
Hey.
What it look like right now?
It looks like
nothing right now. I couldn't see shit. Fuck what the show says. Fuck what the show says.
It looked like we still winning. That's what it looked like.
You ain't got shit out here. You ain't got nothing.
Hey, G.
You ain't got nothing, player. You ain't got shit. We got a gang of shit out here.
Hey, Larry,
You sound.
can I get that Malibu too?
It ain't here, but you can get it.
Cool.
Cheers in here. We know that Malibu is 60.
No, that's just smoking. Hey, y'all lit them through. All right, y'all see it, man. From the show to the street, because it's really from the street to the show. Y'all seen both of them cars out at the show today, putting it down. Now y'all see them in the middle of the street, doing it how it's supposed to be done. Y'all see the back of that shirt, West Side.
What's up with the gray one? Gray one's right here. Pull that one up too.
Shit, it's here. That's how y'all feel today? Y'all calling them out today, huh?
Hell yeah, I'm calling everybody out.
That's right. Let them know what you representing.
Just dipping out here from the 559.
That's right. Just dipping our way. It's a dipping affair. There. They standing up. They standing up. All right, they both on the bumper. They both on the bumper. They both on the bumper. All right, people at home, y'all say who won. They was both on the bumper. I don't know who won. Y'all jump in the comment section. Y'all tell me who won. Damn, like that?
Somebody send this kid
My boy over here calling out. Man, who you want now?
Anyone, pull up anyone. We
Anyway,
ready.
I'm gonna go
We
find
ready.
you someone. What's this? It's a single?
Single.
All right, we on Cali
Single
Swangin. Hey, just dipping out here. They calling out names. They said they want whoever.
dipping, fool.
All right, man, we in the back hopping. Limited said they want some of the action. So there ain't gonna be no hopping going down and they don't get none of this action. Uh-oh. Dipping our way. Dipping our way, still doing that thing. I mean, I don't know. They both standing up. They both on the bumper. Alright, this lag been eating shit up. This lag been killing shit lately. So. Hold up, what else is back here in the cut? We got a Lincoln back here. Okay, it's a turtle back here in the cut trying to hop too, it look like. What's this one from? Just dipping.
Hey, Jojo, you ready? You gonna go?
Damn, it didn't take long. It didn't take long. Why he hopping back? Man, I told y'all this lag been killing shit. .187 on the parking lot killed the bumper. Look at that. All them bumper marks. All them bumper marks. Man, it was a Lincoln back there doing something too. I didn't catch him. Let them know where you from, man.
From the Bay, man.
From the Bay, all the way in LA, right?
Yes, sir.
That's right. All right, man. They out here today.
Watch your back over there.
Oh, gate, no way.
I just did one that, did you see that chopped up he brought me? It was a 4-door, the black thing. Yeah. One and a half. That did brought me.
Let me get him.
There's no street cars for him.
Hey, any street cars? He from the Bay. He want a hop. Bumper. Okay, no way.
It's coming.
What'd you say?
It's coming.
He said any street car can pull up right now. Damn. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Straight, straight. Motherfucker walk it.
What the fuck is literally, what's really going on?
Hey man, we back here in a secret location, man. We in the back of a parking lot. Y'all don't know where we at because y'all ain't supposed to know where we at because y'all ain't real lowriders. Because if you was real lowriders, you would have followed one of us and you would have been here.
Okay, so look, wait, who is it? This was dipping against who?
Hey, dipping our way versus just dipping.
That's 3 for
Hey,
just dipping,
where y'all
right?
coming from? Let them know where y'all coming from. Fresno. They came
Eno?
from Fresno. Hey, they out here in the streets of LA and they putting it down. Cali Swangin, street entertainment. Hey, you better tune in. What was it? Was it the trailer arm or the
Lower control arm.
You good.
Sorry?
No, you okay. For sure, for sure. Motherfucker clean. Streetwise. Streetwise, looking good.